Hello everyone, today I have a review of another knife from the Chinese company, WithArmour. This time it's a folder, model FoldMuk²F-CFBR, in the box. Lots of papers again. A black leather sheath with the manufacturer's logo. I really like it. A black bead chain hidden in something that resembles paracord. And the knife itself. Total length is 17.6 centimeters. Blade length is 7.6 centimeters. Blade thickness is 3.5 millimeters. The steel of the blade is VG10. It is a high quality Japanese stainless steel, tempered between 50 and 60 HRC, full fat grind, satin finish. On the blade, the logo and the name of the company, WithArmour Professional. On the other we have the name of the model, FoldMuk²F-CFBR, steel, VG10, and signature of the designer, Mr. Arthur Brem. On the back of the spring, the inscription First Production Run 20 and 100. Opening with a non-standard nail nick. Slip joint. The handle scales are made of red and black carbon fiber. It looks great. In summary, as I mentioned before, WithArmour knives are characterized by a very original design. This knife, in its design, of course, refers to the Nesmuk knife. There's also a neck version available. I haven't seen this type of knife in the folding version before, which makes it unusual. So if you're looking for a folder with a slip joint in a pacifist, but at the same time very original version, FoldMuk is for you. Besides very good craftsmanship, there is nothing to complain about. The mechanics are impeccable. I like this knife, it's something different. In my opinion, the value for money is very good. The knife costs $100, so the price is not bad for a folding knife. Quality of workmanship and precision must be at the slightly higher level than in the case of fixed blades. Besides, good steel, carbon fiber with very interesting look, precise realization of the lock and the leather sheath automatically makes this price a bit higher. That's all this review. Thanks for watching.